Here's some jaw-dropping stats about retirement. First, your retirement could last 30 years. So should you retire at the classic hit the golf links age of 65, odds are that you can reasonably expect to live to about 84, 85, but that's not all. The Social Security Administration notes that about 1 in 3 people who make it to 65 will live past 90, and about 1 in 7 will reach age 95. So, the good news is that you could very well spend almost as many years in retirement as you did in the workforce. And the bad news is that you could very well spend as many years in retirement as you did in the workforce, and you have to find a way to finance it. And that's the bigger bridge to cross than most people imagine. Here's another potential jaw dropper. 40% of Americans have saved less than $25,000. So surveys have showed that most people just aren't a little unprepared for retirement, they are dramatically unprepared. A full 10% of those 55 or older, get this, have less than $1,000 for retirement, another 6% less than 10, and another 7% less than 25. So, in context of a retirement span that could last 30 years, we're talking about a lot of people with nest eggs short of probably a few feathers. So if those statistics scare, shock, or depress you, we can help. Because no matter where you are today, you can put together a plan that will put you in a much better situation and a path towards the kind of retirement that you want. We specialize in making the most of what you have to build that very foundation for the future that's possible. Now, if you don't have a plan, now is the time to start. Please schedule a time with me and we'll look at how long your money will last and determine the type of retirement you'll have. All you have to do is text talktoMarcus to 555-888 and schedule your call with me today.